morning, YouTube. It is your girl Vintagelori, and I am up and I'm awake. Look, it is cold outside. Look outside. You see that? You see that winter, right? Focus. Yeah, you see that winter. This week I'm gonna be vlogging, taking you guys with me where I go so that you can get a feel for my personality, because I'm not just a pretty bitch that does makeup.
I'm not the bitches in a strip club.
And I'm gonna make breakfast. I'm gonna show you what I have been eating to lose 40 pounds in 3 months. And if you want more details, you can DM me, hit me up, but you gotta follow me on my Instagram for that info, and I will gladly share. And without further ado, let's get into this video.
Say my name, no one is around you. Say, baby, I love you. You ain't running game. Say my name, you acting kinda shady. Ain't calling me baby, why the sudden change? Say my name, no one is around you. Say, baby, I love you. You ain't running game. Say my name, you acting kinda shady. Ain't calling me baby.
Alright, so it is morning time. It's about 8 a.m. in this clip, and I'm starting with my kettle. I really enjoy drinking tea in the morning, and my kettle is my favorite because it lights up. I am a sucker for LED lighting. I just think it looks aesthetically pleasing. And I am weighing and measuring my breakfast. So first I start with Silk's unsweetened coconut milk. It is my favorite. I do not like dairy products. And then I just take a piece of paper towel and I measure out my Farmer's Knows Best sprouted gluten-free oats, because I'm really that girl. And I measure it out again, and then I just put it into my coconut milk. And this food scale has just been really good to keeping me on track with my portion sizes. I season my oats with cinnamon and nutmeg that you see here, and you can really get that from any store. Just make sure that you season your oats, because plain oats is really gross. And then I am gonna make one of my favorite teas, especially in the wintertime, which is this Stash cinnamon apple tea. I'll link it somewhere below. It is so freaking good, and it's caffeine free, so if you don't want to be all jittery first thing in the morning, this is really good for that. And I like to eat a piece of fruit, and this has really helped me with keeping on track with my health goals for the New Year's, and it helped me to lose weight. And so I'm just eating an orange. It looks like a grapefruit, but it is an orange, and that's my breakfast. Alright, so we're doing the C by Giorgio Armani and the Vanilla by Coty together. This is the finished makeup look, and I added a ponytail on, and then I'm wearing a green bodysuit romper type of thing. And yeah, right now I'm just waiting on my mom, and I'm gonna make lunch and dinner to carry in my container to eat, because I don't eat out. And yeah, I'm just here. I've been listening to Soca all day. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, you should, because let me put you on to one of the songs that I posted on my Instagram story. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted by this, but look, that's all I'm going to say, boy. That's all I'm going to say. Do you guys see that? It says -4 outside. It's actually -5. Okay, it's really, really sunny outside. Now we are headed to one of my favorite stores to look at, to shop in. A place that I think is a perfect place to go on a date. Ikea. Ikea hit me up with the sponsorship. I'm just kidding. Am I though? I'm not. So yeah, we're going to Ikea because for my Christmas gift, I asked my mom for a mirror for my beauty office, and that way I can be giving you guys some good try-on hauls and stuff like that. So that's what we're working out right now, and we are driving. There's a lot of snow outside because it is winter here in Canada, and I will show you the snow. Actually, I think I can. What outside is looking like. Looking like Christmas. Speaking of Christmas, I wanted to do a giveaway when I reached 100 subscribers, and I have surpassed that. And I think I'm gonna do a giveaway right now for Christmas to thank you guys for supporting me and to still subscribe to me. So yeah, we have a lot of things coming in 2022 on this channel, and how long does it need to get this shit focused? All right. Okay, so I gotta find my whole mirror, and I gotta find my what is it called? My new comforter and stuff. Girl, let me show you what Ikea be looking like. Ikea is the perfect place for a date. And I feel like people think I'm crazy, but the truth is they're right. I am crazy, so it's actually okay. Alright. Look at this. Like, this is how I'm supposed to, like, I'm trying to have my future place. You know what I'm saying? Anyways. Anywho's. I wish I could. Ooh, hold on.
No, 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 no.
Ooh, hold on. Hold on, let me take a walk through. Hello. Welcome to my house. I live here. Look at this bedroom. And look at this shower. Girl. Yeah. Yeah. Can you guys see the vision? Can you see it? Can you see it? I can see it. I'm not gonna touch anything because of, you know, what's been happening, but like, this is where I'd be doing my editing for the videos, you know what I'm saying? Anyways, let's go what I came here for. So even though I don't drink anymore, I've been kind of wanting a margarita glass. Did I get this though? The heart? Like, is that corny? I'm gonna get this too. No, but seriously, they don't have something to put this in? Hello? Should I get one of these as well? Nah, just this one. Okay. I'm glad we're on the same page, guys. So the mirror is somewhere in here. I gotta find it. The Hovet mirror. Child, anyways. Where do people not work here? Where do people them? Where do people them? Guys, we found it. The Hovet mirror. My Christmas gift. There's like one left. Only two. Oh my god. Okay, no, there's quite a few left. How the hell am I gonna lift this big mirror by myself, God?
I found the street of the house in which she slept. On my diaries put every name on every page. Cause I read somewhere you've fallen in love with me. I'll try again one day we'll see. Your hands under my pillow so I sleep. And I'm dreaming of you, leaving bruises on my feet. I'm obsessed with you in a way I can't believe. When you wipe your tears, do you wipe them just for me? Do you wipe them just for me?
I did it!
I'm fading on my knees. It's so much that I need.
Oh my god, guys. Yes. And I lifted this by myself. Body, yada, 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 yada. Girl, let me go pay for this shit. My mom can give me the money back. This is crazy. So we're finally out of Ikea. Here is the big everlasting mirror that I got. Like, this is literally bigger than me. So now I'm waiting for my mom to pull up so I can load it into the vehicle. The 3 steps to whatever you want to be, do, or have. The creative process is conceptually a simple one. It consists of just 3 steps. Step 1, your work, you ask. Step 2, not your work, the answer is given. Step 3, your work, the answer which has been given must be received or allowed. You have to let it in.